how Gujarati sounds to a non-Gujarati speaker.
Ever wondered how your language sounds to someone who doesn't speak it? Well, let's listen.
Tramak Venleron Gulbek Servant Bloker Mentrav Dobhar Fentlik Citral Torbin Janskot Worker Plontra Maslik Fortwain Darvak Sokri Vebrat. Venjot Tronfik Salben Jernot Fortrick Densum Motrav Sensik Droblin Coloret. Monte Fabric Salare Praklon Gintret Valsok Donte Fragrant Bezkat.
Yes, I know it doesn't sound like the actual language. That's because it's not. The channel's called Language Gibberish after all. But there'll always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what this language sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. Your comments really do make me feel psychic. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.